Oh my God, this is exactly the legendary Joe Biden walk. We have no idea how many takes they had to shoot to get this, but it honestly looks like Grandpa went missing and was found near a construction. But please, someone teach this thing how to lift its feet and bend its knees, or at least widen its stance so it doesn't break your legs on a floor like those wooden pallets. It's downright terrifying watching it walk around completely blind with no cameras. And just one day after that walk appeared, Elon Musk dropped a bombshell. A video showcasing 6 typical jobs the Tesla Bot Optimus will be performing next year. Even more importantly, this is the first commercially sold Tesla Bot Gen 3, set to hit the market in February 2026, priced under $20,000. Elon Musk revealed that Gen 3 will launch with roughly 1,500 free tasks and later expand to 3,000 tasks through future updates. Meanwhile, Optimus Gen 4 will be a more advanced, more feature-packed upgrade, nearly twice as smart as Gen 3, supporting up to 5,000 tasks. And Gen 5 is already in development with 6,500 tasks, targeting a 2028 release. Beyond the fact that Gen 5 will be fully homemaker capable of cooking, cleaning, and even performing surgery in under 2 hours with near-perfect accuracy, Elon Musk is asserting that the bigger goal for the Tesla Bot is the ability to upload everything that makes up a human into a robotic body, meaning the transfer of consciousness, memories, and an entire thinking style into a mechanical form.
It's probably less than 20 years. If you want to be uploaded to a robot body, my guess is that becomes possible.
Elon Musk says that humans could live forever inside a Tesla Optimus robot by using a snapshot of our minds and uploading it into a Tesla bot body. At Tesla's shareholder meeting last week, when asked about this topic, Elon Musk confidently stated that,
would you be able to, say, with the neural link, have a snapshot of, or at least an approximate snapshot of somebody's mind, and then upload that approximate snapshot to an Optimus body?
Yes, he really did say that. In less than 20 years, we could potentially upload a digital copy of our minds, memories, thoughts, quirks, everything, into a Tesla robot. But Elon Musk was also honest that it wouldn't be a perfect copy, because once inside the robot body, your memories and habits might differ slightly at first. After all, it's exactly a copy of you, not a 100% replication of the human being. Optimus is Tesla's bipedal humanoid robot. It doesn't try to mimic a human face, but it walks on 2 legs, can lift objects weighing up to 20 kilograms, and is being trained to understand and carry out complex tasks. It's designed to look like a robot, but can navigate the real world, interact with humans, and one day potentially house a digital brain. Its potential is truly remarkable and a little unsettling, especially if it becomes a memory bank with the ability to recognize faces and walk with confidence. So, how much will a Tesla Bot Gen 5 cost? And why is Elon Musk placing such ambitious goals on this generation? Here's what you need to know about how this robot works internally. Recently, humanoid robots from China, the US, and several European countries have been making headlines. Now, China even has humanoid robots that cost $5,000. Yet most of them appear quite rudimentary and perform clumsy, often comical movements that make people laugh. In contrast, the Tesla Bot has captured genuine attention, as it is touted to be the most refined humanoid robot in terms of both design and dexterity. While it may not yet be the absolute best humanoid robot on the market, it has certainly become the center of interest, especially following Tesla's recent shareholders' meeting. Elon Musk confidently suggests that Optimus could represent one of the greatest breakthroughs in human history, and Tesla plans to produce these robots on a large scale, aiming to make them as ubiquitous as smartphones. Elon Musk recently revealed some astonishing details about the Tesla Bot Gen 4 and 5, particularly regarding cost and pricing strategy. According to Musk, Tesla spends about $10,000 to produce each Optimus, but he plans to sell them to customers for $20,000 for Gen 3. Naturally, higher-end generations like Gen 4 and 5 will be priced a bit higher, but Tesla promises they won't exceed $50,000 for a Gen 5 capable of performing surgery in 2 hours and uploading human memories into it. This means that for every 100,000 robots sold, Tesla could generate around $4 billion in revenue. While this may sound incredible, Musk has stated that the company aims to produce Optimus at a massive scale, potentially reaching billions of units in the long term. The notion of a $20,000 humanoid robot is revolutionary, because creating a humanoid robot is far more complicated than assembling an electric vehicle like the Model Y. Humanoid robots are highly complex AI products, requiring intricate software, advanced sensors, and mechanical precision that far exceed the challenges of conventional car manufacturing. Yet Musk consistently emphasizes that Optimus will be priced at roughly half the cost of an electric car, making it more accessible than almost any other humanoid robot currently on the market. He remarked in a recent presentation, despite the hype surrounding humanoid robots, they have not yet achieved widespread adoption among the general public. The primary obstacle is the lack of evidence that these machines are genuinely useful relative to their cost. A $20,000 robot that only moves awkwardly around the house, functioning more like a decorative novelty than a practical assistant, is unlikely to attract mass consumers. While some affluent individuals might purchase such a robot for novelty or prestige, most people are understandably hesitant to spend that much without clear utility. Comparisons with other robots highlight why Tesla's pricing is so significant. For example, Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot is widely admired for its agility and capabilities. Atlas has demonstrated complex tasks like parkour maneuvers and carrying loads, showcasing the kind of dexterity that most humanoid robots, including Optimus, cannot yet match. However, the price of Atlas, approximately $150,000, roughly equivalent to 2 Tesla Model S vehicles, makes it inaccessible for all but a handful of institutions or wealthy individuals. Its prohibitive cost has limited its practical adoption, despite decades of development. In fact, finding humanoid robots priced under $50,000 is extremely rare, which is what sets Tesla Optimus apart. Musk has repeatedly stated that Optimus will cost half as much as an electric car, putting its expected retail price around $20,000, while manufacturing costs remain near $10,000. This price point, if achievable, could make humanoid robots far more accessible than anything currently available. Skeptics might argue that a $20,000 price for a humanoid robot seems unrealistic, especially given Tesla's history of missing timelines or adjusting projected costs. However, there are strong reasons to believe Optimus could hit this target. Unlike many other robots that rely on expensive components purchased from third-party suppliers, Tesla plans to leverage its existing electric vehicle technology and manufacturing processes for Optimus. This includes using in-house sensors, actuators, and AI systems adapted from Tesla cars, significantly reducing production costs. By transferring proven EV technology to humanoid robotics, Tesla has a credible path to maintaining an unusually low price for a product of this sophistication. So, how can Tesla Bot Gen 5 complete 3,000 homemaker tasks in just 2 hours? Contemplate for a moment the profound convenience of possessing a humanoid robot capable of preparing your breakfast each morning, maintaining your overgrown lawn with precision, folding all your laundry without complaint, or even providing personalized tutoring for your children without requiring you to hire an expensive professional educator. The implications are staggering, as you would undoubtedly save 3 of the most precious resources that define modern existence. Precious time that slips away faster than we realize, physical energy that leaves us perpetually exhausted, and hard-earned money that disappears into endless household services. By integrating a robot like the Tesla Optimus into your daily life, you would be able to manage your entire household while reclaiming hours previously consumed by tedious, repetitive chores. Elon Musk has consistently and confidently proclaimed on multiple occasions that the Tesla bot possesses the inherent capability to genuinely replace humans in performing monotonous, hazardous, and repetitive daily tasks that consume our lives. He has even tantalized the public with the intriguing possibility that you could generate substantial income by deploying these robots strategically. However, despite these grandiose promises, considerable skepticism persists throughout the general population regarding the practical utility of the Tesla bot upon its eventual market introduction. Numerous commentators have voiced their doubts, suggesting that even if Elon Musk were to slash the price dramatically to merely $10,000, or even an impressively low $5,000, they would hesitate to allocate their financial resources toward acquiring what might ultimately prove to be nothing more than an extraordinarily expensive technological novelty with severely limited practical functionality in real-world scenarios. The undeniable reality remains that the primary catalyst motivating customers worldwide, ourselves included, to embrace robotic technology is the fundamental human desire to streamline and simplify everyday existence. Considering that each day contains only 24 hours, and that most of us dedicate more than 8 hours to professional employment, arriving home to discover an overwhelming accumulation of domestic chores looming ahead can feel nothing short of nightmarish. Yet imagine an entirely different scenario unfolding. You unlock your front door to discover a freshly prepared meal awaiting you, an immaculately organized and spotless home, and most remarkably, the robot stands ready and willing to retrieve a refreshing cold beverage from the refrigerator while you recline comfortably on your couch in complete relaxation. This scenario sounds positively magnificent and almost dreamlike, yet this vision is not merely a flight of fancy or science fiction fantasy. Tesla's Optimus robot possesses the genuine potential to transform this aspirational scenario into tangible, everyday reality for millions of households globally. Tesla has played an instrumental and transformative role in revolutionizing the automotive industry through electric vehicle technology. But simultaneously, the company has emerged as an extraordinarily powerful catalyst, driving rapid innovation and development throughout the entire humanoid robotics industry. Prior to August 2021, the concept of humanoid robots existed primarily in the realm of speculation and imagination, with most people dismissing the entire idea as fundamentally frivolous and impractical. However, the moment Tesla officially announced its intentions to develop sophisticated humanoid robots, the landscape transformed dramatically, prompting companies spanning from China to North America to publicly reveal the robotics projects they had been secretly developing in research facilities. From its conception, Tesla architected Optimus with an explicit commitment to embodying genuinely human-like characteristics and behaviors. The robot stands at precisely 5 feet 10 inches, measuring 177 centimeters in height, while maintaining an expertly optimized weight of only 138 pounds. A configuration that ensures the robot remains neither excessively heavy nor uncomfortably bulky, even within compact residential spaces. Nobody desires a continuously noisy robot perpetually emitting disturbing sounds while executing household tasks, and consequently, Tesla made the deliberate engineering decision to eschew hydraulic actuators from the very beginning, despite recognizing that such hydraulic systems could theoretically grant the robot enhanced power and greater flexibility in movement. The choice reflects Tesla's sophisticated understanding of what consumers actually want, rather than merely what is technically possible. One of the most frequently posed inquiries regarding Optimus concerns fundamental operational parameters. Specifically, how many continuous hours can customers expect these robots to operate without interruption, and conversely, how much time must elapse before they require recharging? The honest answer, acknowledging that we are not Tesla Bot development engineers, presents a genuine challenge in providing completely detailed and rigorously accurate technical specifications regarding internal functionality and actual battery performance metrics. According to Tesla's official documentation, the Optimus robot theoretically can operate throughout an entire 20-hour period daily, but given the modest battery capacity of merely 2.3 kilowatt-hours, this claim warrants deeper investigation and analysis. This appears somewhat optimistic or aspirational rather than strictly realistic. Whether performing work within industrial factory environments, corporate office settings, or residential homes, humans universally demonstrate an inability to sustain productive labor throughout complete 8-hour shifts without mandatory breaks and necessary respites. Humans require designated time for consuming meals and attending to personal needs, whereas a robot might feasibly require only 15 to 30 minutes for battery recharge cycles. With the currently specified 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery capacity, the Optimus robot's genuine continuous operational duration would more realistically approach approximately 6 hours of sustained activity. Achieving the advertised 20-hour operational window would necessitate implementing at least 3 separate recharge cycles throughout the extended operational period. However, we genuinely believe that few consumers would operate the robot continuously for such extended duration, particularly since Optimus clearly was never engineered to replace manufacturing workers or serve exclusively industrial applications. The Tesla Bot Gen 5 can observe instructional videos depicting specific tasks and then autonomously learn to execute those identical tasks through observation and deep learning software alone. Envision the genuine implications. Simply a few instructional videos watched through the robot's optical perception systems, specifically its 4 two-dimensional cameras embedded within the head region, combined with sophisticated deep learning algorithms, would empower the Tesla Bot to handle nearly every household task imaginable, eventually developing the autonomous capability to repeatedly execute tasks flawlessly without requiring additional video review or retraining. You find yourself occupied within your kitchen, yet rather than wrestling with elaborate and time-consuming recipes, the Tesla Bot confidently functions as your personal chef. It has absorbed the cooking methodology from your preferred instructional video and is now autonomously preparing an exquisitely prepared dinner with remarkable precision and attention to detail, while simultaneously handling complete post-meal cleanup independently. This represents genuinely transformative domestic capability that motivates people with intense enthusiasm and genuine excitement. More significantly, contemplate a typical Sunday when you traditionally must grasp a mop and methodically clean from room to room throughout your entire residence. The Tesla Optimus becomes exceptionally valuable precisely in situations where your enthusiasm for household cleaning diminishes, allowing you to simply activate a cleaning instruction video for the robot, subsequently enabling you to genuinely relax and savor a peaceful cup of coffee, while your domestic environment becomes progressively cleaner without any personal involvement required. This represents the fundamental advantage and remarkable value of possessing a sophisticated humanoid robot assistant. Naturally, performing tasks with genuine accuracy and careful precision demands that Optimus possess exceptionally sophisticated hand structures, contributing approximately 80% toward determining whether assigned tasks succeed or ultimately fail. Its hands feature 5 independently articulated fingers displaying naturally occurring length variations, precisely mirroring authentic human hand anatomy. However, these mechanical hands undergo continual enhancement with progressively increased degrees of freedom in densely integrated sensor networks. This explains why Elon Musk maintains such confident enthusiasm regarding the newly upgraded hand design, boasting an impressive 22 degrees of freedom, representing the most technically advanced robotic hand ever engineered throughout industrial history, completely unmatched by competing humanoid robot manufacturers globally. You have likely observed demonstrations displaying these enhanced hands delicately managing an egg without crushing it, handling sensitive battery cells, or tenderly watering plant arrangements with perfect control. The forthcoming hand featuring 22 degrees of freedom will genuinely astonish observers, as according to Musk's assertions, this upgraded appendage can play complex piano compositions, thread impossibly fine needles, and skillfully perform intricate tasks demanding substantial human practice and mastery. While Optimus undeniably possesses countless beneficial applications and enormous positive potential, we genuinely wonder regarding potential consequences should the robot ever observe unsuitable or dangerous instructional videos. Whether Tesla can effectively maintain comprehensive control over precise robot utilization remains a significant outstanding question. Yet adopting a characteristically optimistic perspective, the video learning capability is genuinely extraordinary and facilitates rapid technological enhancement across the entire robot population simultaneously. According to recent announcements, achieving these remarkable capabilities follows a carefully planned production timeline. Tesla's retail version launches in the first quarter of 2026, featuring the latest Optimus Gen 3 design equipped with the world's most sophisticated AI brain. The company will maintain annual refresh cycles, with Generation 4 scheduled for 2027 and Generation 5 anticipated in 2028. So, what do you think? Is the Tesla Bot worth its high price if it only replaces basic household tasks? Please share your opinion in the comments section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next breaking Tesla update. It's coming in just 2 days. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EV or Tesla Bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.